Welcome back to That Simple Guide. In today's guide, we're going to take a look at how to add sounds to the Discord soundboard on mobile. If this video is useful, please consider subscribing so we can get the non-Photoshop version of this thing. So the Discord application on mobile doesn't natively support it currently, so what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna open up our browser of choice. In my case, I'm gonna use Chrome. And then in the browser, I'm gonna search for Discord. And I'm gonna head to discord.com, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit these three dots in the top right corner and scroll down until we see desktop side, and then click on that, enable that, and now from here we should be able to hit log in. So now we're gonna want to log into our Discord account. Alright, and then once you're logged in, let's just zoom out, and we're gonna want to head to the Discord server. In my case, that's this one right here. And let me zoom in so you can properly see it. And then from here, you wanna click on the server name, and then click on server settings. Now from here, in this left bar, you wanna click on Soundboard, and scroll over, and then click on upload sound. Alright, so let's click on browse right here, and then I'm gonna click on photos and videos in order to navigate to the location where I have my MP3 file. So there we go. Now what you can do up here is you can play it back, and on PC you will be able to adjust the length of the audio here. I wasn't able to do it on mobile now, but yeah, if the file is already the way you want it, then that's not an issue. So then I'm going to give the sound a name, and I can also choose a related emoji, and you can also use your server's emojis, and then you can also adjust the sound volume if it's too loud. And as you can see, for me the upload button is grayed out and I can't click it. I believe that's because the sound length is too long in this case. It's 5 seconds, 5.11 seconds, and without Nitro I think I can only have 5 seconds max. It would be nice if I could just use these sliders to shorten it, but I think I'm just gonna have to try and find a shorter sound. Alright, I believe I should now have a shorter version of this sound, so let me just try again. And yeah, as you can see, this right here where it says the length is now turned green, and now it's allowing me to upload. And there we go, now the sound has been uploaded. And now let me show you how to use these sounds. So we can now head back into the normal Discord app. And I'm just going to open up my server and join a voice channel here. Alright, so if it looks like this, what you want to do is just click once, and then this down here should come up, and this icon here is the soundboard. So click on that, and then as you can see, you have your server sounds up here, and then Discord sounds down here. So let me just click on the one I've added, and as you can see, that works. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.